Loving is knowing the beloved. And in prayer, we come to know God, to acknowledge Him. Because when we acknowledge, we embrace Him. We embrace His will. We embrace what God wants. And that's what prayer is all about. That prayer is aligning my will to the will of God. Kaya tayo nagdarasal upang alamin ang kalooban ng Diyos. At inaalam natin upang ituwid natin ang ating kagustuhan sa kagustuhan ng ating Diyos. Maaring may alam tayo, may gusto tayo, pero ang taong nananalangin may pagtitiwala sa Diyos na mas marunong kaysa sa akin, sa Diyos na mayroong patnubay at biyayang may ibibigay sa akin. We come to know God in prayer.